I am Shreya and I am back again with another new video on my channel Shreya's Corner. Hope you all are safe and doing well. I know it's very difficult to keep us motivated during this hard time, but let us all hope that everything will be better really soon. I'm making this video only because it makes me happy and I hope while watching this video you too can relax a little bit. With that, let's start today's video, which will be a makeup tutorial. To be more precise, an eye makeup tutorial. Smoky eyes are pure love and my favorite too. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to create this black smoky eye. I have done my base first and then I'll start off with the eye makeup. But if you're new and trying it for the first time, I'll highly suggest you to first do your eye makeup and then go for your base makeup, so that if you make any mistake while doing your eyes, you can clean it up while doing your base makeup. So without wasting any more time, let's just start and see the steps. First, apply kajal on your eyelid. Here I am using Stake Walkie Kajal. All the products I am using in this tutorial will be listed in the below description box, so please check that out. You need not to be precise over here, but do not make a very thick line. Once you are done with applying kajal, also tightline your eyes, because for smoky eyes, it's really important. After that, start smudging out the kajal using your finger. Here I have a tip for you. For the outer half of your eyelid, smudge it inwards, and for the inner half, smudge it outwards, as I am doing it here, so that you don't end up having smudged kajal everywhere. Avoid using smudge-proof kajal to make this step a little bit easier, and you will have some extra time for this step. Once you're done with smudging, use a flat shader brush and apply a matte black eyeshadow on all over your eyelid till the crease. Slightly open up your eyes to identify the crease line on your eyelid. Continue repeating this step till the time you get desired intensity with the black eyeshadow. And once you're happy with the intensity, then you can move on to the next step. One more thing. I have used Maybelline Neox the Nude palette for all the eyeshadows used to create this look. For this step, take a fluffy blending brush and use a brown eyeshadow which is 2 to 3 shades darker than your actual skin tone, and start blending the edges of the black eyeshadow. This step will help you to create a smooth transition. Also use a very light pressure while blending the eyeshadow. Don't rush with this step and take your own time, as it is the most important step of this look. Once you're done with the blending, take an angular brush and black eyeshadow and apply it near the lash line to get back some intensity near that area. You might have to go back and forth with this step to get a proper transition and a desired intensity for this look. If you're trying it for the first time and you are not happy about how the look has turned out, don't worry. Keep trying and soon you will end up having the desired result. Now it's time for the lower lash line. First, apply some kajal and then take an angular brush with the brown eyeshadow that you have already used and start blending it with the kajal. Here also apply a very little pressure and do not rush. Take your time with this step. Don't forget to blend the end with the end of the upper lash line to get a smooth effect. Now it's time to add some polymerizing and lengthening mascara to your upper and lower lashes. If you like, you can add falsies with this look as well. Finally, add some highlighter to your inner corner and brow bone area to complete the look. Use all these steps to the other eye and your smoky eye look is complete. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram ID here and in the below description box. For more such fun fashion and makeup related video, consider subscribing and press the bell notification so that you don't miss any future video from my side. I'll link some of my previous videos in the below description box. Do check those out, and I hope you will like those too. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care. Bye.